Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a crypto wallet without KYC. Know Your Customer, or KYC, is a standard process where financial institutions verify a client's identity. While many centralized crypto exchanges require this for account creation, some users prefer to maintain privacy. Fortunately, there are several ways to create a crypto wallet without needing to provide personal identification, offering a more private experience for managing your digital assets. When seeking privacy, a non-custodial wallet is your best choice because you retain complete control over your private keys. This differs significantly from custodial options, where a third party manages your assets. You can opt for a hardware wallet, which stores your keys offline for maximum security, or a software wallet, available as a mobile or desktop application, providing a balance of security and ease of use for your crypto. To create your wallet, first choose a well-regarded non-custodial provider. Always download the official application directly from their website or a verified app store to avoid scams. During setup, you will generate a seed phrase, typically a list of 12 or 24 words. This phrase is your master key. Write it down and store it in a very safe, offline location. Never share it with anyone. Maintaining the security of your crypto wallet is paramount. Absolutely never share your seed phrase or private keys with anyone, as this grants them full access to your funds. Additionally, always use strong, unique passwords for any wallet applications or interfaces you utilize. Regularly back up your wallet and stay informed about security best practices to protect your digital assets effectively. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.